Hi, I'm Underbelly, and you suck at producing. In today's fast paced music world, there's no point in making your own beats anymore. Why bother? We have sample packs now. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to use sample packs to be successful without actually doing any of the work. Let's get started. Okay, so check it. Let's say I wanted to make a sick beat, but I didn't want to actually do any work. Up until very recently, this would have been impossible. We would have had to make a sound from scratch, actually write music. It's boring. I want to play festivals. So instead of doing all that, let's just go ahead and find our favorite sample pack here, start picking out some sounds. Let me just kind of comb through these, see if we can find something halfway decent. So let's start with the first sample here. Okay, so that's ass. Maybe this one. Nope, still ass. Ass, 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 say ass, ass, ass. Oh, here's something halfway decent. Okay, wowzers. So here's the thing. You might have noticed that these days there's a lot of ass popping up on sample packs recently. And, in the time that it took to kind of comb through these, we might have even been able to write something of our own. Not saying that we should. That's crazy talk. No point in doing that anymore. But just to save ourselves some time in the future, whenever I stumble upon something that's halfway decent, what I could do is right click on it and put it in a place where it's easily accessible. Say my not ass folder. Now, next time I won't have to look through so much ass. All my best samples will be right there ready to go. Wowzers. Now, here's the thing. Even with samples, it's still a lot of work putting all this together. You got to drag the sample in, move it around, maybe turn up the volume or something. It's just too much, man. So, what I've been doing recently is instead of using, one shots or loops or anything like that, all my samples are now just fully finished tracks. So I don't actually have to do anything. I just drag one of the tracks in there, right click, export that shit, call it my shit song, and then, oh, I already have a shit song, whatever. And then I'm already playing festivals. It's that simple. Wowzers. Okay, so check it. If you're still having trouble finding samples that aren't ass, try downloading my very own sample pack by hitting the link in the video description below. Also, be sure to join my Discord and subreddit so you can trade samples with other producers. I'm Underbelly. See you soon.